Hello, I'm going to show you how to do a standing stitch to begin a round. First, you put a slip knot on your hook. I'm holding it awkwardly because I couldn't figure out how to stand up my cell phone. So here we go. I have a slip knot. So then you look at your pattern, it'll tell you what stitch you're going to be using. For right now, we're going to do a standing single crochet, and then you put it in whatever stitch it tells you to. For now, we're just going to put it in a stitch. So if it's a standing single crochet, you're just going to keep your finger on the slip knot so it doesn't slide around, and you just make a single crochet. That's it. Very simple. What comes into play is when you do like a double crochet. So we'll do a double crochet. You have to keep your finger on the slip knot so it doesn't slide around. So you put it on there. Since a double crochet, we yarn over once, put it in the stitch indicated, and then do a double crochet. And all the while you will have to hold that slip knot so it doesn't slide around. But when you do, it's kind of nice because then you have a nice double crochet instead of a chain. I love to start rounds this way.